A good day, everyone. Learn how to remove any app from your home screen in Android or Samsung Galaxy. So let's say this gallery, if you do not want this on your home screen, you just need to press and hold and drag it to the right side somewhere and you can put it there. And in this manner, once you go back, you can see it is right there and you can simply remove it as well. Like removing doesn't mean uninstalling. Like this gallery is removed, but when I go to the app, I can see the gallery, right? So you can do that as well. And let's say if you want to move any app, you just need to press and hold, and drag it to the right side, and you can see the Play Store is right in the next screen, the second screen, not on the home page. Same thing you can do with these quick links as well. I mean, quick apps as well. All right. So this is how you can drag these things. And I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.